Final review, question number 2. Okay, so I got this bucket with these marbles in it. And anytime you got one of these tables, just kind of give yourself all these numbers. That's 24 if I go that way, blue ones. That's 26 of those. So altogether, there's actually 50 marbles in there. That's 25. All right, so there's 50 marbles in there. All right, now the probability of blue. Well, I just said there was 24 out of my 50. That's my blue ones. Okay, now I could leave it as a fraction if I wanted to, but anytime you have a fraction, you've got to reduce it to lowest terms, and I don't want to mess around with that. I mean, this one I could probably do, but instead, if I convert it into a decimal, I don't even have to think about it. Okay, so 0.48. Probability that it's blue, 0.48. Blue or glass. Or had 3 circles involved in it. Okay, so you circle that because it's blue. You circle that because it's blue. You circle that because it's glass. The or always involves 3 circles and involves 1 circle. Okay, so 14 plus 11, that's 25. So this is 35 out of 50. The denominator for part A, part B, and part C, the denominator is going to be 50. The last one, part D, that was the only one that had a weird denominator. Okay, so 35 divided by 50, and my calculator, that's like 0.7. All right, now I need to go on to and. So I erase the 3 circles. And probability of blue and glass. Only 1 circle, it's got to go right here, blue and glass. Okay, so that's 14. So 0.28. And then that last one, that's the one where it has a weird denominator. And it has a weird denominator because I got to start erasing stuff. Step 1, don't erase anything to do with the word glass. So step 1 is to do this last thing. Leave the glass ones there. You're going to be given the glass ones. You're going to throw the plastic ones in the trash. Okay, now I couldn't possibly use any numbers that aren't on the board right now. Okay, now I want step 2, the blue ones. Given that I'm only looking at the glass ones, I want the blue ones. Okay, that's 14 out of 25. And that's how it ends up with a weird denominator is because I erased that 50. It's got to be that denominator. So this is 0.56.